sweetcorns, happy Diwali. I wish you guys and your family and your pets a happy and safe Diwali. So in my previous video I made these diya or candle holders, and I wanted to make another one a little bit bigger than my previous one, and so I'm going to follow the same process as my previous video. I'm going to use my homemade clay, which is just wall putty powder and water. You can use whatever you have, and I'm going to follow the same process, same steps. So let's go guys. I made this clay few hours ago, so it's a little bit hard now, but don't worry, you can still work with it. You just have to knead a little bit more. So knead it well and roll it out just like a flatbread. Then using a paper template and a cutter, cut out the shape however you like. You can freehand here also. In my previous video I made those candle holder one piece. Unfortunately they were all broken and I had to glue them together again. So this time I'm going to make two parts, and after they dry out completely I'm going to glue them together. This is the next day and my two clay pieces are dry, so I glue them with some waterproof glue and paper, and I also sanded these pieces so I have a smooth surface to draw. Here you can paint however you want, or you can leave it white if you want, but my painting is not that good, so yeah, I try to draw something beautiful. But yeah, and also I made these two extra clay pieces so I can glue them on the sides like this, and I'm using this waterproof glue here. So yeah, let's enjoy the painting process. Anyways, so I'm not going to bore you guys with my voice again for this video. Just enjoy the music and the process. But before I go, let me wish you again a happy and safe Diwali, and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe in this Diwali, and yeah, stay healthy, stay safe, eat well, drink enough water. I will see you guys soon in my next video. And are you guys watching One Punch Man? Yes, the second episode is coming today, is tonight. So yeah, bye bye guys, happy Diwali.